Imagine wake up in a world where robots perform surgeries, driven cars, and even teach our children. This isn't science fiction, but it is the reality AI is creating. First of all, we would like to pay our high respect to teacher, ladies and gentlemen, and our opponents. Good evening. Now we ask today a proposition have structure. Our case are follower, and Som Mausal are the first speaker. I respond for the first main point. Mary as the second speaker, she will respond for the second main point. Rad as the third speaker, he will respond for the third main point. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this debate and welcome from the side of the house. The motion for today's debate is, can AI replace humanity? And now we ask proposition strongly believe that 100% AI will replace humanity. But before we come to actual argumentation, let us define some important terms in this debate. Guys, you might be wonder what is AI, but don't wonder anymore. I'm here to tell you and explain you what is AI. According to Cambridge Dictionary, AI means that it is the study of how to produce computers that have some of the quality of human mind, such as the ability to understand language, recognize picture, and solve the problems. And today we come up with three main argumentation to rebut with this topic, such as first, automation of jobs, second, healthcare innovation, and the last is enhanced human ability. So now let me explain you guys more detail about my first main point is automation of jobs. What is automation of jobs? As you already know that AI is already replaced human labor in various industries. For example, in manufacturing, AI-powered robots are performing assembly line tasks with higher precision and efficiently than humans. Amazon warehouse use robots to manage inventory and handle goods. Studies have predicted that AI and automation has replaced 85 million jobs globally by 2025, according to the World Economic Forum. Yes, and this demonstrates the potential for AI to handle significant portion of the workforce. And a report by McKinsey Global Institute estimates that by 2030, up to 800 million jobs could be lost worldwide due to automation. This concludes in manufacturing, retail, and other sectors where repetitive tasks can be efficiently handled by AI robotics. And for the best evidence is in Amazon warehouse. You can search it in Google. Yes, in Amazon warehouse, AI-driven robots such as those developed by Kiwa Systems and are used extensively to move goods, reducing the need for human workers in inventory management and fulfillment roles. And our team strongly believe that in the future, AI will replace humanity. That's all for my first main point, and let's continue to my friends.